I'm in Jamaica speaking that patois. Big up to the Gaza. B.I.P. to my.
And that one here. And that. Hold on there. She just said big up Gaza. She must big up Jamaica. I'm here, so I take it so easy. Let's say there's something. Pull up the bumbuckler part there again.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction. Boom! And I'm back in another video for you guys. Hold up. We are not blind. We got the 5 and below joint though. We got the 5 and below joint. Oh my gosh, hide your girl. Because the reaction boss just touched down at the airport. We got that big trip. Anyways, we got young and man. Ooouuuvie, I said pronounce Ooouuuvie. Whoopty Freestyle. That's me. I said Whoopty. Everybody's remixing this song. Even the Trinidad artists that are remixing the song. Jamaicans remix it too. I don't like to no. Remix the Bumbuckler song right now. But anyways, make us see what's happening for this reaction right now. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, comment on this video to see your comment where? Right over there in the next video that I post. And go follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to reach 10,000 followers on Instagram. When I reach 10K on Instagram, I'm gonna give away $100 every single week. Okay, 100 US. So yeah, you might want to go follow me on Instagram to win some money. You dig? Right, June. Alright then. Don't worry, I'm getting there. Oh, this video is going to be continuing for a lot of pausing and me giving my opinions on a lot of things because I want to post the video and I don't want the video to get blocked. But don't worry, young MA. I'm getting there. Let go.
What are you doing?
We doing good.
Real life.
I
told her.
Hold on, I don't have any of those right. Don't worry. This is worth a lot. It's not cheap. It's not cheap. Okay, it's not cheap. Let's go.
Ooouuuvie.
Ooououuvie.
It's a Ooouuuvie. I keep the sticks like sushi. Bitch in the 2-seat. She bougie.
It's a movie. I keep the sticks like sushi. No, people, y'all know how you eat sushi. Oh, whoa. She bougie. Oh, no, I've never listened to the song yet before. You understand? This is my first time, so we finna go back a little bit right here and run it.
Like sushi, bitch in the 2-seat. She bougie. She said you gotta pay for the coochie. Told her, mama, nah.
She bougie. She said you're gonna pay for the coochie. How is that bougie? That means she is selling the coochie. That's not bougie. She for the street. She is for the streets. Okay, let's go.
If you free, then you free. Yeah, I'm a dog, but I fuck on 2 feet. Soon as you come, then you leave. Keep 2 guns on me.
Yeah, I'm a dog, but I fuck her on 2 feet. On 2 feet, like. Ooh. And then you say, oh no, if you free, you free. We ain't for, you know what? Let's go.
I call him my mood swings. I just got 2 rings. He like, what's that on your neck? I'm like, oh, that's a pool king. My mind ain't right. I know I got loose screws. That's why I keep me a 2-league.
She got 2 guns. Loose. Buckler. Right now, if the song is fire, people want to see all fire emojis in the comment section right now. Spam some fire emojis right now. Don't play with me. Spam fire emojis in the comment section. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe if you're new over here. Let's go.
Told niggas ready or not. Here I come. That's word to the Fugees. Sorry for the wait when I drop this tape. I swear it's like serving them Blue Dream. Red life shit, but my blood he crip.
She's playing hide and seek. Ready or not? Here, MA forward. Cause we don't come now. We don't deal with that come thing then. Here, MA forward. We from Jamaica. Don't play with us now. But here, MA forward. Here she comes. No. Here, MA forward. Go. Good.
Drip, you can see how that blue bleed. I ain't claiming that bitch. Her she a thought. Her shorty play for a few teams. I'm young and I'm rich. Yes, I'm a thought. Yes, I keep me a few teams.
She's young and she's rich. We know it. Check off the list. She's at the... Check off the list. Her bitch plays for a few teams. Check off the list. Fire emojis in the comment section. It's like you don't hear me. Hold on. You get the fire emojis in the comment section right now? Check off the list. Run tune.
That Zaza got yak in the mata. I'm in Jamaica speaking that patois. Big up to the Gaza. B.I.P. to my.
And that over here. And that. Hold on there. She just said big up Gaza. She must big up Jamaica. I'm here, so I take it so easy. Let's say there's something. Pull up the bumbo clot part there again. To blood clot. Emma says she's in Jamaica doing what?
Yak in the mata. I'm in Jamaica speaking that patois. Big up to the Gaza. B.I.P. to my blood, a nigga fly high. Throw them bees up sky high. Her.
She's in Jamaica speaking that part. Big up to the Gaza. You could have a bumbo clot tonight too. You should have a bumbo clot tonight too. I'm in Jamaica speaking that part. Big up to the Gaza. Bumbo clot. She just big up Jamaica. I'm there, so easy. So I will tell them for real to this song. What your name again? Bumbo clot try. Big up yourself for the try. Big up yourself, dog. And this is why you tell me for real to that song. And this is the reason why you told me to real to this song. Okay. Go on.
You want beef? Ain't mad as noodles. We'll turn that boy into pasta. My hitter is shata. Click clack. Blocker. 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 Ooouuuvie. When we in the.
I was like, what she coming with now? Click clack. She don't come with the whoopty. She click clack. But Whoopty Ooouuuvie. I like what she did with that. The woo ooh. Yeah, the Ooouuuvie. Hey, not bad. I'm just paying attention to the detail. Pay attention to detail. You get it? You get it. Hold on. Don't play with people. Don't. Bombo bed. I don't care. Go on.
Club is a movie. I got a gang full of goonies, but I am a goblin like Tunchi. I can't never let. Gotta watch my back, cause these niggas be switching like mood rings.
She got a gang full. I'm not even gonna repeat what Emma just said. Right now, I want you guys to comment another set of fire emojis right now in the comment section right now. She big up Gaza. She's in Jamaica spitting that patois. Big up to Gaza. And that's all I want to hear right now. I hope Vybz Kartel see this and I'll post it too. You did me and say, because I know Vybz Kartel love representing. I want to represent female now. You did me and say, hope him see her song. You see me and say, yo, go on.
So if you that nigga, I'm sending my hitters to spin on your block like a smoothie. Slide in the Whoopty. Just got a check, 100K flex. So I went and bought me a new V. When it upgraded to AP, water, jacuzzi.
I feel broke. I need another chain. I need an AP. I already got some Balenciaga. I need a new car. But my car late. I like my car. My car is a 29. I'm chilling. You know what? I'm good for now. I just need some more money. That's all. I ain't trying to bet no more. I don't need no more material things. I need money in the account. That's good. That's rich for me. Not material things. Not at this point in life, cause I'm broke. I'm broke? I'm not broke. You're just not rich. Get your facts straight. You stupid boy. Boy. Get 'em. Go!
Had to bring the old youngin' May back, and they still can't fuck with the new me. Nah, fuck you talking about.
She had to bring the...
They told me...
She had to bring the old MA back, but guess what? They still can't fuck with her. You know, so MA, yeah, she bad, yo. She bad when she do this remix, yo. She really does her shit with these remix. Remember when she remixed Tatiana? Yeah, she bad with the remix. I gotta give it to her, yo. I gotta give that to her. She bad with these remix. I'd like to see hear her remix a Jamaican song though. Like, that would be lit. That would be fucking lit. Let's go!
Do it, so I went and did it, you feel me? And that's all they get.
Yeah. Man,
These niggas can't fuck with me, man. I'm running laps around these niggas.
Fuck. It's over with. It's been about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. And you have just watched the most lit reaction you would ever come across on YouTube. So if you guys subscribe to the channel right now and you show that you want some more American reactions and some more, you have even some more rap, some more hip hop, I got you. So leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. Why is this dude walking his dog in the rain? Like, oh my gosh. Right. You feel me? So guys, I'll see y'all in a minute. Peace out.